Hey, we're Paige and Alex, co-op students at Goose Digital. 9 weeks in, and this week we're doing something a little different.
There's no breakdowns and no retrospective, just a full end-to-end demo with real brands, real tools, and real outputs.
We've shown this brand before, on the website, early on. The tool has come a long way since then, so this week we're showing where it's actually at now,
And for the first time, we're showing the same brand run through both tools side by side.
which is kind of the point, because the reasons the output feels consistent across both, a website and a set of graphics that actually look like they belong to the same brand, comes down to one thing.
And that's the brand intelligence framework, the shared brief that both pipelines pull from. That's the connective tissue between everything we've been building.
Let's show you what that actually looks like in practice.
After a user has filled out an entire client intake form, this is what the steps look like for the user to see an actual site and sort of get it to be deployed. You'll be met with this screen showing the scores of your entire form, how much things that you've clearly filled out, what's missing, and all these stylistic choices that you had chosen throughout this process. All the user needs to do is download the zip file, open it up in anti-gravity, and run the simple copy and paste commands that's shown in the instructions. If there's any videos or photos that need to be generated, the prompt actually has a copy and paste generated for you to do. So all you need to do is open it up into Gemini or whatever image or video generator you're using, paste the prompts in, wait for it to download, and then make sure you just move it into the proper project folder. From then you run the last and final prompt step, and the website will automatically generate for you within 5 to 7 minutes. From there, all you need to do is click the connect to GitHub and an automatic repository will be created for you, linking it to your proper name and giving you proper access. And from there, you can push to Cloudflare and everything will be uploaded onto a site.
So right now, this is what the feed looks like so far for OBIG. Later on, there's probably going to be a home menu, but this is what you see. So what I've been doing is I write my prompt in. So I can write in right there. I selected the logo that I want to use, and then it will load. And it's obviously a very great looking design. And then maybe I want to make another one for another social media feed, so I go ahead and click reflow. And now it's reflowed to 5.4. So this is good because now the graphics are completely consistent, but they're in two different sizes depending on which feeds we need them to go onto. So now you can actually go ahead, which I cut this part out, but I wrote a nice caption for this, and then you can export that as a PNG as well, and it will export the entire social frame for if you want to show clients what it would look like on their feed. This is the brand kit menu, so there's your whole profile, there's your assets, your visual identity style, your custom sizes that you can with margins, and then there's of course all the templates live inside the system here as well.
So that's Concero, end to end from the website. Same brand brief powering everything.
And the same brand brief powering the image side. Different tool, different outputs, same foundation.
That's what the intelligence settings framework actually does in practice. It's not just the data structure, it's what makes both tools feel like they're part of the same system.
Starting from a blank brand kit and ending up with on-brand graphics in one session. That's the demo we couldn't have done 3 months ago.
The tools are there and the outputs speak for themselves.
See you
See you
next
next
week.
week.